scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Brazil's question is all about short-run AD shifts, and we need the one change that pushes both real output and the price level downward fast. A drop in both real output and the price level means aggregate demand must shift left because short-run decreases in demand lower production and also reduce overall prices. Now, check the choices. Purchases, confidence, exports, and wealth all raise spending, so they shift demand right, but higher personal income taxes cut disposable income and consumption. That lower consumption shifts aggregate demand left, which brings down output and the price level in the short run, so choice E is the match. Well done! You nailed it! Scan now, watch signs, and avoid Russian. Trust the direction, then check each option against the needed aggregate demand shift.